Now we're working on our personality placemats. Well, when we left off, we had our picture done in crayon. But as I said, there's other mediums to show personality versus this is for my children. But I decided I wanted a placemat for myself. So we're going to set that aside. And I'm also a machine embroiderer along with quilting. And this is something that kind of represents me, another craft I do. So we're going to layer mine on top of a piece of batting. And this is warm and natural batting. You can buy it by the roll at any of your quilt stores, craft stores. It's just a thin, warm batting to give you some texture there. And so this is actually going to be my top. Now we're going to work on the bottom. My granddaughter here made hers, and we call this, you're going to get a quilt lesson also, flip and sew. These are all fabrics that I have in a big old bucket, and they're my scraps from when I do bindings on quilts. She picked out the colors, she ironed them, she handed them to me to sew on, then she would iron it and then hand me the next piece. So she picked out even the color order. So another way you can involve the kids. Me, I'm also a quilter, and I have these quilted strips that I had left over from another project. So now I am going to demonstrate to you how to do a flip and sew project. You can also make it into quilt blocks.